I was sent the VRAIKO Lily. I love how it comes with its little docking station here, but you can also just charge it like that. And it does come with the charger. This is the box. I have that spicy pink color. You're gonna get your instructions, a little cleaning cloth, and you also have this cap if you wanna put that on. Okay, let me show you how to work it. So you turn it on and off right here. These are little check crystals. How pretty is that? Now we have our red light, our blue light, and our green light. Red's gonna be the strongest. It's always gonna vibrate when it's in use. Blue is gonna stay at room temperature, so it's not gonna get too warm. This is really good for anti-inflammation. If you have acne, this is a good color to use for that. Green is good if you have blackheads. And this one is gonna be a little bit warmer than the blue one. Also good to soothe your skin. And then red is my personal favorite, red light therapy. That's really good for anti-aging. So as I'm talking to you, you can see I'm just kind of like scraping my face. I'm not giving too hard of a pressure on this, but just within seconds, as you do it, you'll kind of start noticing a little bit of a flush, at least for me, in my cheeks. And that's the blood circulation that really comes from the vibrations, the warmth, and everything, and that's helping with lymphatic drainage and just helping target some of the resiliency in my skin so that it doesn't age as much. So this is super easy to use, on off right there. And what you're gonna do, I first started by cleaning my face. I applied a serum, and then you just go around your face and do this. It's already really warmed up nicely, and the longer it's on, the warmer it's gonna get. You just need to do it a few minutes a day. You could do this 5 minutes a day. You can do it whatever fits in your schedule and make it part of your skincare routine to start seeing some awesome results.